And I dedicate the unforgettable in long distance dedication of our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, which is Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to the dear elder teachers and my beloved friend. My speech is about important thing, which is education. Allah is created us for getting education and for getting knowledge. Education show us many brightful and successful ways. Allah is said in the Holy Quran, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, Ar-Rahman, Allama al-Quran, Khalaq al-Insan. Allah said in another place of the Holy Quran, Hal yastawi alladhina la ya'lamuna walladhina la ya'lamun. Our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, Talabul ilmi faridatun aw ala kulli muslimin. Translation of above ayah in hadith. Allah has created us for getting knowledge. The educated people are those people who are not educated, are not same. And our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, education is compulsory on each Muslim. It means both male and female. And our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, seek knowledge from the cradle to the grave. And Allah will enter the dog of Ashab to the Jannah or to the paradise. Why? Because the dog had knowledge and education, and by the knowledge the dog keep those honest and faithful people from the attacking of enemy, and he didn't want at that time. Education show how to respect of our elder and how to compare with the other economic tribe and technology. Finally, I want to say Islamic education show us how to give right male and female. We have to send our children to the education. The sky is so high we can fly. If we try, one day we will fly. وَمَا عَلَيْنَا إِلَّا الْبَلَاغُ.